Okay. Welcome to Kranthi Keen Sainik School. So I am going to explain you the solutions of mock test 1 which was conducted on Sunday. So it will be enhanced you to preparing going to write which will be appearing in 2026. So don't skip this session. I'll assure you will get a best command on it. So let's get started. So given the first question, the sum of the place values of 6 and 8 in the number 6289. So we have to the place values of given number 6 and 8. 6 and 8. So there is 6 here. So while we are calculating the place values, while we are calculating the place values, we have to check first where is the 6 here. The digits say 6. So ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. So 6 is in thousands place. So we can write here 6,000. Right? And now 8 in the number. So where is the 8th digit in the number? So it is in tens place. So 8 into 10. So what he has asked the sum. So sum means 6080. So the answer is option is B. Next, the approximate second question. The approximation value obtained when 157.5 is multiplied with 2.002. So what he has given, we given the two decimal numbers and you have to multiply and he is asking what is the approximation value. So what you have to do? Here, so 157.5 and another number is 2.002. So 2.002. Right? So you don't know how to multiply the decimal value. So you'll thinking that it is difficult. So for the easy method, I will tell you that see after decimal how many digits are there? So it is one digit. So you can write 1575 by 10 or multiplied by C. After decimal how many digits are there? There are three digits. So we can write in the denominator 1000. So 2002 upon how many digits? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros. So it is easy now. You can multiply 1575 into 2002. Right. So what is it? You can multiply here. So I will tell you. Right. Clear? So now, so 1575 into 2002. Forget about this 10 and this 1000. We will think about this 10 and 1000 after multiplying these two values. So now, multiply with 2. 2 into 5 and 1 carry. 2 7 are 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 1 carry. 2 5 are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 1 carry. 2 1 are 2. 10 plus 1, 3. Right? Next 0. Something into 0, always 0. So how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 0. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. No, right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 2. As it is, we have done 2. 2 5 are 10. 1 carry. So 2 7 are 14. 14 plus 1, 15. Next, 1 carry. 2 5 are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 1 carry. 2 1 are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So what is the answer? 0, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3. So what is the product of these two numbers? 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, 5, 0. Now, you have to multiply the denominators. First we have multiplied the numerators. Now we have to multiply the denominator. 2 into 1000. How many zeros are there? There are 4 zeros. So then we have to write C. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now 0, 0 get cancelled. Now how many zeros in denominator? 1, 2, 3. So we have to keep the decimal. After decimal we have to keep the 3 digits. Now 3, see, 1, 2, 3 means 315.315. So what is the option? See, we got, screen lock. So we got, no, we got 315.315. What he has asked here? Approximation. So approximation means we have to remember that after decimal point we can't take the number. So if it is here 6 means after decimal, if there is 6, then we have to add the one number to before the decimal number. If there is approximate, we can write the approximation value to 3.6 means is equal to 4 because it is 6 is greater than 5. Then we have to add 1. So here 3 is after decimal 3 is greater than 5 or less than 5. It is less than 5. So we have to write simply 315 is the answer. So option A. Now slowly చెప్తున్నాను. Now third question. See, which of the following number gives the remainder when it is divided by 6? First, you have to go to the options here. See, what you have asked, remainder when it divides by 6. So, these 4 numbers we have to check the 4 options. So, remainder will be 0. So, 6 when it is divided, no, right. Column number gives remainder when it is divided by, right. See, so in this option, 3 numbers will divide by 6 and another number will not divide by 6 because remainder means, see, if a number is not divisible by 6, then it will give the remainder other than 0. So, see, 6 into 5, 30. So, remainder is 0. 6 into 6, 36. So, remainder is 0. 6 into 7, 32. 32. So, remainder is 0. But in 55, the nearest multiple of 6 is 54. Remainder is 1. Answer is 0. Next, fourth question. Which are See, which of the following shows the percentage form of 5 by 8? So, when you are going to calculate the percentage, if you want the percentage means we have to multiply with 100. If you want to remove the percentage, you have to divide by 100. So, you ask with the percentage form. So, just you have to multiply this given fraction into 100. Then you will get the answer. So, what is given? 5 by 8. We want here percentage form. So, we have to multiply with 100. So, 4 2s are 4, 25s are. So, 5 into 25, 125. Is given decimal form, right? So, you have to do, see, 125 by 2. 2 1s are 2 6s are. 2 6 is 12. 2, so 2 is are 4. Remaining how much? 1. So, 1 is less than 2. So, we have to keep the decimal here. So, if you keep the decimal, we will get the 10. So 2 5s are 10. So 62.5. 62.5 percentage. So this is the option C is the answer. Next, what should be the approximation product of 2.5 and 149.93? So this will be the same concept which I have explained in second question, right? So we have to find the approximation, right? Multiplying by this 2.5 and 149.93. So we have told you that decimal there is a 5, you have to check There is less than 5 or greater than 5. So here 2.5. It's equal to 5. So you can add for easiness, you can add here 2.5 is equal to 5. You can write, he asked approximation, so you can write 3 here. So for 149.9, 3. So 9 is greater than 5. So you can add 1 to the 149. So 149 means 150. So now what he has the product. So 3 into 150, 450. So answer is D. Next, how many bottles of 350 ml volume capacity filled with 7 liters of oil? So when you are going to solve this problem, you have to check the what are the units he has given. In this, he given the 350 ml milliliters. In here, he given the liters. He is confusing you. So first you have to check the ml and liters. So you have to convert into milliliters. So for easiness, you have to convert liters into milliliters is easy. So you have to convert the already K, H, D, M, D, C, M. So here the given in capacity. So you can change here liters. See, kiloliters, hectoliters, decaliters, liters, deciliters, centiliters, milliliters. So what is, so we have to convert 7 liters into milliliters. So what is liters? Yes, 7. So where is milliliters? Here. So we have to take just 3 zeros here. So what is that? See, 7 liters is equal to 7,000 milliliters, right? So now what we have, how many bottles of 350 ml and volume capacity filled with 7 liters of oil. So first we have to divide, see, 7,000, how many bottles? So 7,000 contains, see, right, right. He asked, see, 7,000, right? So now 350 ml is equal to one bottle. So 7,000 ml is equal to how much? So just you have to do the cross multiplication from here. So here 7,000 by 350 into 1. So 0 get cancelled. 35 ones are 35 twos are 70 and remaining 0. So so for filling the 10,000 milliliters of water, we want 20 bottles. So option is, so option is 20. Next, what is the sum of 13.3, 1.33 and 1.0333? Just you have to add the this decimal values. He asked that only. The sum means addition. So see 13.3, 1 point 1.3 and next 1.033. 1.0, how many 3 is 3? 1, 2, 3. We have to add because here is given the sum. So 3, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. Point. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So 5. 1 remaining. So 1.566 double 3. So where is the answer? Option D. Next. Eighth question. The perimeter The perimeter of a rectangle is 40 centimeters. If the length of the rectangle is 12 centimeters, Then what is the breadth? So we given the perimeter of a rectangle is 40 centimeters and he given the length. You have to find the breadth. So what is this computer? See, this is a rectangle, right? So perimeter means we have to find the boundary of the rectangle. So the inside face is called area, but the boundary is the perimeter. So he given the length. Length is equal to how much? 12 centimeters. We have to find the breadth. What is length here? Length means longest side of the rectangle. That means shortest side of the rectangle. So what is the formula perimeter of the rectangle? 2 into N plus B. Where N means length, B means breadth. So what we are given? So perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 40 centimeters. So we have to equalize 40 centimeters. So 2 into what is length here? 12 centimeters. So breadth I have taken X is equal to 40 centimeters, right? See, that is equal to 40 centimeters. Now, 12 plus x is equal to 40 by 2. Why I have taken 2 here? Because it is in multiplication form. If you move to the RHS, it will be in divisible form. So, 2 into 2 1s are 2, 2s are 0, 0 remaining. So, 220 is 40. So, 2 and 12 plus x is equal to 20. What is x? I want x here. X means breadth. So x is equal to 20 minus 12 is equal to 8. So what is breadth here? X is equal to 8 centimeters. So 8 centimeter is the answer. Now, ninth question. 150 meter per second is equal to how many kilometer per hour? So we have to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour. Convert meter per second into kilometer per hour. We know that it is the 5. So we have the 150 meters. Then we have to do 150 into 18 by 5. So 5 ones are 5 30s are. So what is the answer? Kilometer per hour. 5 3s are 18 3s are 54. 54 into 10 540. So option is 540. Option A. Next. 10th question. See. How many zeros are put after 1 in a crore? In crore, how many zeros are there? There are 7 zeros. So answer is 7 because 1 crore has 7 zeros. Lakh has 6 zeros. 1000 has 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. So after 1, how many zeros? There are 7 zeros. So answer is 7. Next. What is the greatest to 5 digit even number? So what is the greatest to 5 digit number? Greatest to 5 digit number is 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Just you have to write 5 digit number means 5 nines. So what is the even number? This is odd number. So you have to, the nearest even number of 9 is 8. So you have to subtract the 9, subtract this number, subtract 1 from this number. So that minus 1 means 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 minus 1, 8. So answer is option is C. No. 1 million equal to how many thousands? You all know that. 1 million equal to 10 lakhs. So, how many thousands? Thousands. See, 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. How can we write 10 lakhs? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So what is the hundreds, thousands? But we have to divide by 1000. Three zeros got cancelled. So what is the remaining here? 1000. So 100 is 1000. So 1 million is equal to 1000 thousands. Option is C. Next, the HCF of 120, 105, 90 and 65. This you have to do by elimination method by checking the options, right? So see, what is the HCF highest common factor? So the HCF is always less than or equal to which is the smallest number by given number is always less than or equal to the smallest number. So, this what is the smallest number? 75. So, you have to check 120. 120 is the highest number. So, you have to eliminate this number. Next, 5, 15, 25. In this, which is the highest number? 15, 25. So, 5 is eliminated. 59, 25. 25 120 will not divide. 105 will not divide. So our answer is 15 easily. Division form, like you have to divide these two numbers and next 90 and 70. 90 and 25, then you will get the common number. So you can also now you can divide this number with 75. Then you will get 15. You can do that. See, 15 into 8, 120. 15 7 are 105. 15 6 are 90. 15 7 are 15 5 are 75. In high table, it will high table divides all the number, but it is the smallest number. We ask only HCF, highest number. And 5 and 15, which is the highest? 15. So answer is 15. Now, the next number, the number which is divisible by 9 is. What is the divisibility condition of 9? Sum of the number, sum of all the number, all the digits given in a number is divisible by 9. So you want to add all the numbers. You have to check all the options. Now, 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 plus 6, 27. 27 plus 2, 29. So, 29 is not divisible by 9. No, eliminated. Next, 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 2, 19. 19 plus 3, 22. So, 22 is not a multiple of 9. Now, 2 plus 4, 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 7, 27. Okay. Check the option also. 6 plus 4 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 4, 17. 17 plus 3, 20. So 20 is not a multiple of 9. So three options are eliminated. So what is the option? C. No. This is the board rule, you can know. So board means bracket. First you have to solve bracket. See, B. Which bracket here? 15 divided by 3. You have to solve the inside bracket value. So 3 divided by 5. 15 divided by 3 means 5. Okay. Now 5 into 2. Why are multiplied here 2? Because 5 always it is in multiplication form only. If you given the bracket inside one value and outside the bracket, you have to multiply the value. So 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 2, 10. So here 10 plus C. Now after bracket, means half means multiplication. If there is O means half here, no. But division. Division we have already given. So we have done the operation. Next. Dividing M, multiplication. M means here multiplication. 2 into 2, 20. 20. The subtraction form minus is all. See, here minus 3. So 20 minus 3 plus 10. So next addition. 20 here one symbol and 20 here plus symbol. You have to add the two addition symbol. So 20 minus 3, 27. Answer is 27. The smallest natural number is. What is the smallest natural number? What are the natural numbers first? The natural numbers are counting number starting from 1 to infinity. So what is the smallest natural number? 1. So answer is direct value. 1. Examples of even numbers. You know what are the even numbers? The numbers which are divisible by 2 and the remainder will be 0. That are called even numbers. So See, one is a not a even number. So option A is eliminated here. So 0 to 5. 5 is not a even number. It is a odd and prime number. So B is also eliminated. 2, 10, 100. So it is a even number. Or you can say the even numbers are ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. So option C is the answer. 2, 4, 9. 9 is not a even number. So option D is also eliminated. So answer is 2, 10, 100. Option C. The sum of the first six odd numbers is, what are the odd numbers? First six odd numbers. See, what is mean by odd numbers? When the number is divisible by 2, so the remainder will be 1. So they are called the odd numbers. So now, sum of the first six odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11. So we have to add the 36 odd numbers. 11 plus 9, 20. 20 plus 7, 27. 27 plus 5, 32. 32 plus 3, 35. 35 plus 1, 36. So answer is 36. Next. Examples of odd numbers are. Okay. What are the odd numbers? Same repeated questions. Now only I told you that the number which is divided by 2 will get the remainder 1. So the that is called odd numbers. So 0 to 2 is an even number. So option A is eliminated. Next, 1, 1900. 100 is an even number. So option B is also eliminated. 199, 60. 60 is also even number. So option C is also eliminated. So remaining option is D. So answer is D. Because 3, 19, 197. These are all odd numbers. So option D is the answer. See, the prime factorization of 620 is, what is meant by prime numbers? The number which has factors 1 and itself. So those are called prime numbers. So prime number starts from 2. 2 is a even prime number. Even and also prime number. Because why we can say that 2 is a even prime number? Because 2 1 and 2 can divide by 1 and itself. 2 can divide by 1 and 2. And you can't divide by another number. So that's why we can call that 2 is a even prime number. So prime factorization of 620. So this method, I can tell you, you have to check options, or you can do that. See, this is a 620 is a lengthy number. So for you will get the time, you can, if you want to solve this quickly, you have to multiply. See, 2 into 3, 10. So 2 into 3, 6 into 10, 60. So 620 is not 60. So 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 100, 400. So here is given 620. So option A, B eliminated. Now, 2 into 2, 4. 4 3 is 12. 5 5 is 16. See, 60 into 7, 6 7 is 42. 420. So, we want 620. So, option C is also eliminated. The remaining option is D. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 5, 20. 20 into 31, 620. Option D. Or you can calculate by prime factorization number. See, 620. What is the first prime number? 2. 2 into 3 times the next. Because 2 3 is 6, 2 1 is 2, 0 0. 2. 2 1 is 2, remaining 1. 2 5 is 10, remaining 1. 2 5 is 10. Next. 5. It not divisible by 3 because 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 1 11. So next after 3, which is the next prime number? 5. So 5 into 5 3 is 15, 5 1 is. So what are the numbers factors we got? 2 into 2 into 5 into 31. So which is the option? D. Next. 1.375 plus 1 plus this is x plus 141 plus 30 is equal to 589. So you have to find the x value. Blank means you have to find x. So you have to add these numbers which are in LHS. So this is RHS, this is LHS. So 375, 375, next 141, next 30. 5 plus 1 6. 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 7 14. 1. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. 546. So we got 540, 546, plus x is equal to 589. I want x. X means here blank. So we have to move this 546 to RHS. Then it is in addition form. So move to the LHS, RHS, then it will be in subtraction form. So x is equal to 589 minus 546. So 9 minus 6, 3. 8 minus 4, 4. So 5 minus 5, 0. So answer is 43. So what is the value of x here? So 43. So LHS is equal to, if you put here 43, then if you add all this value, you will get the 589. Then LHS is equal to RHS. Next. Now, same. What you have to substitute in x and multiply with 10, you will get the 450. Simply 1010. So what you have to keep here, remaining number is 45. So just direct answer 45. 45 into 10, 450. So you can do this. X into 10 is equal to 450. We want x. X is equal to 450 by 10. 0 get cancelled. What we got? X is equal to 45. So answer is, option is A. Next. 550 divided by something number, will get the 100 minus 45. What is 100 minus 45? 55. 55 is equal to, see, 550, see, 550 divided by x is equal to 100 minus 45, 55. So we want x here. So if 550 is in divisible form, so when we move to RHS, it will be in multiplication form. So we can write 550 by x is equal to 55. Cross multiplication. So x will be in denominator form. If you move to RHS, it will be in numerator form. So 550 by 55 is equal to x. 55 1 ga, 55 10 ga. So x is equal to 10. Next, 23. 470 minus 70 is equal to 650 minus how much? See, you have to equalize LH is equal to RHS. 470 minus 70, 400 is equal to 650 minus x. You want x. X is, before x there is a subtraction. So you have to move this, you have negative form. So you have to make the x in positive form. So that's why you have to move x in LHS. X is equal to 650 x is equal to 650 minus 400. What is the answer? 250. 650 minus 400, 250. Next, 25. 24. 648 is divisible by means just we have to find the factors. He doesn't ask me to find factors. He asks about factors. So he has to include one also. Now, 648. What I said is, you have to multiply the numbers. 5 into 9, 45, 45. See, we have to see. 648 divisible by 6 or not? Yes. 648 is divisible by 4 or not? Actually, you have to check the options here. This is 5. If your number is divisible by 5, the number should be ended with 0 or 5. But in the units place, there is 8. So option A and option C are eliminated. So you have to both go with option B and D. C. What is here 8 is there? You have to check 3. 3 means 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 6, 18. Okay. If it is divisible by 3, 9 also it will be divisible. So 2 can be divisible 3, 9 and 6. 2 and 3 means 6. Next, 12. 12 5 are 60, 48. Okay, 8. 8 means 8 8 is 64. Okay, gone. Done. Next, option B. I'm thinking the option B. So check with option D also. See, 4 means last two digits are divisible by 4 or not. 48 is divisible by 48 is divisible by 4. Okay, 6. Already we have checked. 8. 8 means okay 3. 2. We have to check the 7. 7. 7 9 is 63. Remaining 1. 18. 18 is not divisible by 7. So option D is also eliminated. So answer is B. Next. 14. 26th question. 14 minus 4 of 1 plus 2 plus 3. So you have to go, while you are saying this type of question, you have to follow board mass rule. This is the, you have to fix in mind. So first you have to solve the brackets. In brackets 1 plus 2, 3. 14 minus 4 into 3 plus 3. Now, off means see. This is in multiplication form. 4 into 3, 12. 14 minus 12 plus 3. Now, 14, we have to add the addition forms. Now, separate the positive numbers and negative numbers. So, 14 plus 2, 17. 17 minus 12, 5. Next, the, the sum of two numbers is 11,009. If one of the number is 9,999, the other number is, you have to find the other number. What is given? There are two numbers. 11,009 plus, you have to find the second number. So I am taking the second number is x. Is equal to the sum here? No, no. See, sum 9,000, one number is 9,999 plus another number. We have to find the another number. So I am taking the number is x. What is the sum? 11,009. So you want x. X is second number. So you have to subtract the 9,999 from 11,009. 0. See 0. You have to borrow 1. So 9, 10. So 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. What are here? 0. 0 means 10, 1. So 1 0, 1 0. Option A. LCM of 8, 12 and 20. See, you have to check the LCM is least common factor, least common multiple. So 120, you have to find out the LCM 8, 12, 120. You can check, see 120. What are the factors of 8 is a factor of 120 or not? Or you can do like this 8, 12, 20. 2 4s are, 2 6s are, 2 10s are, 2 2s are, 2 3s are, 2 5s are. See, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 5s are 120. Direct. 120 is the answer. So you can check. See, 8 12 20 means 8 when 120 is divisible by 8. 120 is divisible by 2. 20 is divisible by 2. 1. So 120 is divisible by 20. So answer is 120. Direct. You can go through the, without doing this LCM method, you can do option verification. Next. The smallest The smallest four-digit even number formed by the digits 1, 0, 2 and 3. See, what are the digits here given? 1, 0, 2, 3. What is the smallest number? So, among this, which is the smallest number? 0. And the next number 1. Next number 2. Next number 3. We have the four-digit number. So, 0 is in left side. So, there is no value of 0 here. When the 0 is in right side, there is value of 0. So this is a 3-digit number. We want 4-digit number. So you have to take 1, 0, 2, 3. So answer is option is 1023. Option A. Next, 30th question. 28 divided by 7 plus 1 into 3 minus 2 is equal to. How to follow the board method? See, 7 ones are 7 fours are. Because division comes first. After multiplication, then after addition, then after subtraction. So 7 ones are 7 fours are. 4 plus 1 into 3, 3. Minus 2. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 minus 2, 5. So option A, 30. Next, 31. 2 into 30 minus 10 plus 15 divided by 5. So there is no bracket here. So which one we have to solve? Division. After multiplication, after addition. Next, after subtraction. So 5 ones are, 5 threes are. Next, 20 into 3, 60. 60 minus 10 plus 3. So we have to add the positive number. 60 plus 3, 63. 63 minus 10, 53. Answer option C. 32. Sum of all prime numbers between 1 and 10. So what are the prime numbers between 1 and 10? 2, 3, 5, 7 and 10. So 11 is the next prime number, but it is not, it is more than 10. So we have to take this fourth prime number. 2 plus 3, we asked the sum. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 7, 17. So answer is 17, option B. 33. 5 lakhs, 5,000, 5 lakhs, 5,050 in numeral form. So you have to write in numeral form. So what is 5 lakhs? 1 lakh has how many zeros? 5 zeros. So see, 5 lakhs, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 lakhs. 5 lakhs, which 5,000. 5,000 means 1,000 has 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3. Next 50. 50 means here. So you have to right. See 0, 5, 0, 5, 5. So what is the option? Double 5, 0, 5, 0. Right. 50, 50, 50. So option here. 5 lakhs, 5,050. Next. Find the sum of the greatest 4-digit number and the greatest 3-digit number. What is the sum of greatest? What is the greatest 4-digit number? 9999. Next. What is the greatest 3-digit number? 999. 18. We have to add because we given the sum here. So 19, 19, 10998. So option B. Next. 35. In the number 30,746, which digit has the greatest place value? What is the place value? So in the given number, the digit has its position. So there is here what is the which is the greatest place value? See ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So 3 are the highest place value. So we can write 3,000, right? So if you write 7 means 700. So 700 is less than 3,000. So we take 3,000. So answer option is 3. 3 are the greatest place value. 36. 23 into 3 plus dash is equal to 90. So we have to find x here. So 23 3 is 69. 69 plus x is equal to 90. So I want x. So you have to move the 69 to RHS. It is in positive form. If it goes to LHS, it will be negative form. So x is equal to 90 minus 69. How much? 21. Option B. Next, 47 minus 3589 close bracket divided by x is equal to minus 1. For this, see, this is in IM, this is in LHS and this is in RHS. You have to write minus 3589 by x is equal to minus 1. So, in LHS minus will be there and RHS is also minus. So, we have to cancel this minus minus symbol. So next, you have to cross multiply. X is in divisible form. When it goes to RHS, it will be numerator. So 3589 by 1 is equal to x. So answer is, option is 3589. 38 minus 8 bracket minus into minus 4 into 0 into minus 6 into 0. See, something into 0, 0, direct answer. All will be in multiplication form. So all numbers are divided. Multiply with 0, we get the 0. So answer is 0. The product of two numbers is 504. If one of the number is 4 and then find the other numbers. There are two numbers. See, I am taking A and B are the two numbers. What is our product? So product of two numbers is equal to how much? 504. Next, one of the number is 4. Then find the other number. So I am taking A is equal to 4. Or you can take B is equal to 4. Your wish. So 4 into B is equal to 504. We want another number means B. B is equal to 504 by 4. What is the answer? 4 12 are 48. 2 remaining, 4 6 are 24. So what is the T? 126. Option C. Next. 40. Find the product of largest three-digit number and smallest two-digit number. You have to multiply the largest three-digit number with the smallest two-digit number. What is the largest three-digit number? 999. Next, smallest two-digit number. Two-digit number is 10. So just you have to multiplication means how many zeros? 1. So 9990. So what is the answer? Option C. 41. Which of the following number is a factor of 550? So what is meant by factor? So number divisible by another number, the remainder will be get 0. Then it will be a factor. So you have to check the which number and divide the 550 will get the remainder 0. So here option is 3. This is the divisible condition of 3. The total sum of numbers is divisible by 3 or not, you have to check. So 5 plus 5, 10. 10 is not divisible by 3. No. 7. 4 means 7 9 7 8 by 56. Remaining for 40. So 40 is not divisible by 7. So option B is also eliminated. C. 6. If a number is divisible by 6, 2 and 3 must be divisible. It will be divisible by 2, not divisible by 3. So option C is also eliminated. Next. 5 directly. See 0. If a number is divisible by 5, the ending number should be 0 or 5. So ending number should be 0. So it is divisible by 5. So option B. Next 42. 39 plus bracket minus 35 minus 15. So into this expression here. See, this is here into. Plus into minus, minus. You know the conversion, right? Plus into plus into minus is equal to always minus. Minus into plus is always minus. See, minus into minus always plus. Plus into plus always plus. So what is here? Plus into minus. What will come? Minus. So 39 minus 35 minus 58. We have to add the negative terms and positive terms. See, 39 is only the positive term. So negative terms 58 minus 35. Sorry, 58 plus 35. 8 5 13. 1 carry. 6 plus 3 9. 93 minus 93 plus 39. What is the value? We will get in negative one because 93 is the highest number. It has negative symbol. So we will get the answer in negative symbol. So these two options are eliminated. So we have the answer in D of D. So 93 minus 39 54. So option is D. Next, arrange the following fractions. So numerators are equal in the descending order. When the numerators are equal, you have to check the denominators. Which denominator number has lowest value? It is the highest value. So you ask descending order. Descending order means so small. So what I said to you, which if the numerators are equal, then which in denominator, which number is the lowest number? It is the highest fraction. So first number is 15 by 8. 15 by 8 is greater than, next after 18, 34, 29. 15 by 29 is greater than, next 34. 15 by 34 is greater than, 15 by 38 is greater than 15 by 44. So what is the descending order? 15 by 8, 15 by 29, 15 by 34, 15 by 38, 15 by 44. So which option? Option B. Option B is the right answer because 18 is in numerator, 18 is the smallest number. So option B is the right answer. Next, 44. Minus 9 into minus 4. See, minus into minus plus. Why I am doing this? Because it is in multiplication form. So we will get the positive number. So option 1, option A, option B, option C. Because they have the negative symbol. So these are eliminated. But we have to check the option C, 36. It is a positive number. So direct answer 36. Subtract 1 kilometer 308 meters from 6 kilometers 372 meters. See, 1 kilometer 308 meters, 6 kilometers 372 meters. So you have to subtract. Now 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 1000 meters. So 6000. Directly you can do that like this. I think to see 6 kilometer. Okay. 6 kilometers 372 meters. Next 1 kilometer 308 meters. He asked, he given the option 5 kilometers, 5 kilometers, 640 meters. Directly you can count. 2 minus, see, here 12 minus 8, 4. Here 6, 6. Next, 64, 0, 6, 4, 5. 5 kilometers, 64 meters. The option is B, direct. 46. You have to apply the board mass rule here. See, 3 into 7, in this there is no bracket, so directly you have to go with the division form. So first you have to calculate the division without the division form. So 5 ones are, 5 nines are, next 3 ones are, 3 twos are. So what is remaining? 3 into 7 plus 4 minus 2 minus 7 plus 9 into 9 into 4 plus 49, right? So after division, we have to do the multiplication form according to the Bodama rule. So 21 plus 4 minus 2 minus 7 plus 9 into 4, 36 plus 49. Now we have to add the positive terms and negative terms. Now 21 plus 4, 25 minus 2 minus 7 plus 36 plus 49, 85. 85. Now 85 plus 25, 0, 3, 110. 110 minus 9. How much? 101. 47. 8 divided by 2 into closed bracket 2 plus 2. So we have to solve the first bracket according to the Bodama rule. So 2 plus 2, 4 into 2 1 are 2 4 are 4 into 4, how much? 16. Direct answer. Next. Factors of 150 are. What are the factors of 150? See. 7 is not divisible by 750 is not divisible by 7. So directly you have to eliminate first option. Next 2, 3. See 5 plus 1, 6. So it is divisible by 3. Next 5 ending 0. So it will divisible by 2 and 5. Next 6. It will divisible by 2 and 3, then it will also divisible by 6. Next 10. 10 means ending 0. Okay. Next 15. 15 into 10. 15 means 5 into 3. So it is divisible by 5 and it is divisible by 3. So 15. 25. 25 means 5 into 5. So it will be divisible by 5 and it is also divisible by 25. Next 30. 30 means 3 into 10. So it will be divisible by 3. So 30 is also divisible by 150 is also divisible by 30. Next 50. 5 into 10. It will divisible by 5. So 150 is also divisible by 50. 75. 75 means 25 into 3. But we can write 5 into 3. So it will be divisible. 150 is divisible by 5 and 3. So it will also divisible by 75. Next 150. Direct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Next. Multiples of 50. What do you mean by multiples? See, multiples of 50 means 50, 50 into 1, 50 into 200, 50 into 3, 150, 50 into 4, 200. Like this you have to check. So, in 50, 40 is not a multiple of 50. So, option A is eliminated. Next, 50 into 200, 50 into 4, 200, 50 into 6, 300. Okay. 50 into 3. 1 is not a multiple of 50. 1 is a factor of 50. So option C is also eliminated. So 10 is not a multiple of 50. 10 is a factor of 50. So option D is also eliminated. So direct answer is D. Next. Last question. Okay, here. See. Open bracket minus 15 plus 4 divided by closed bracket 5 minus 3. According to board mark here, you have to solve it bracket that. 5 minus 3 no, divided by 4 you have to write as it is. See, minus 15. Okay. So next division. 2 1 are 2 2 are. What is remaining? Minus 15 plus 2. So minus 15 plus which number is greater here? 15. It has negative symbol. So we'll get the answer in negative. So 15 minus 2, 13. Minus 13 is the answer. So we have done it. So next, JK ma'am is explaining the questions. So thank you. Stay tuned. for next week. Bye. I hope you all understood.
Hey children, I am back. Let us solve these general knowledge questions in this section. Okay, as I told you before in the starting video, this general knowledge questions, there will be 25 questions, each carrying 2 marks. Okay, let us see these general knowledge questions. Let us see the 51st question. So Hyderabad is the capital of which state? So for every question, children, make a note of underlining the keyword of the question. If you underline the keyword of the question, which helps you in solving the answer. Okay, in finding out the answer. So Hyderabad, capital of which Indian state they are asking? So Telangana. Telangana, it's a direct question. Telangana's capital is Hyderabad. See the 52nd question. So those who study earthquakes are called. See the options: geologist, seismologist. Okay, it is given here only. Astrologist and astronomer. Okay, it is overlapped, the children. Please make a note of it. See, here the question is study of earthquakes. Study of earthquakes is called as a seismologist, whereas geologist is the person who deals with the study of Earth's surface, Earth's materials, and about the all about the history of. Okay, so whereas astrology and astronomer deals with the study of celestial bodies like planets, movement of the planets, stars and all, whereas astrologist is the person who tells the person human activities and human personalities which change according to the movement of the stars and planets. Okay, so the answer is seismologist is the right answer, the study of earthquakes. Next, let us go to 53rd question. Yes. So the body's largest organ. So don't get confused. Largest organ, largest gland. So don't get confused. Largest organ is skin, whereas liver is the largest gland. Okay, children? Next. 54th question. Whales and dolphins are classified as. They come to which category they are asking. See the options: fishes, mammals, reptiles, amphibians. So as soon as you see this option, you will go with this option only. So please be careful. So whales and dolphins are fishes only. They are classified as mammals. What are they? They are mammals. They are mammals. Mammals are the animals which give birth to babies. Okay. So about 90% of the fishes lay eggs. But whales and dolphins are the only aquatic animals which give birth to babies. Okay, and one more thing about aquatic animals is seahorse. So a male seahorse will bear the young one. That means the male seahorse will carry the young one. Rather than like usually for any kind of species, the female only will bear the young one, right? In seahorse, the male will bear the young one. Okay, next, see the 52nd question. Second largest state in India. Second largest state is Madhya Pradesh, whereas Rajasthan is the first largest state and the smallest is Goa. Okay, children? Next. I think it's clear. Moving on to the next question. Question number 56. Question number 56. See the 56th question. It lay eggs. It lay eggs. So it belongs to. Yes, of course, birds lay eggs. Except birds in the bird category like bats will not lay eggs. They give birth to babies. Right? Reptiles also lay eggs. Mammals will not lay eggs. They give birth to babies. Yes? Now tell me the answer. So which animal, which of these options will lay eggs? So reptiles means all crawling animals like snakes, crocodiles, tortoise, turtle, all these animals, they lay eggs. Okay. So option B is our right option. Okay. Next 57th question. Largest animal currently living on the planet. Okay. So you may think that elephant is the largest animal. So in particular, if they ask that largest land animal, then you have to go with this option elephant. Okay. Here the question is largest animal is the blue whale is the largest animal. The right answer is blue whale. Okay. If they ask largest land animal, then go with the elephant. So here they are asking largest animal. Okay. So blue whale is the right answer. Next 58th question you see children. So this question was given previously in Sainik 2020. I think in 2023 or 2022, I don't know. In the AISSEE 2023, this question was given. Okay, so agriculture cannot be practiced on mountains on a large scale. What is the reason for this? They are asking. Okay, go through all the options. This is quite a confusing question. Thinly populated? Yes, of course, mountains are thinly populated. In context to the agriculture, they are asking. Yes. So, have a shortage of land? Yes, it has a shortage of land. It is completely covered by snow. There is no soil cover, right? There is no soil cover. Unsustainable, unsuitable climate, of course. So, you may think all the four options are similar and are the right options. Have a thin soil cover is our right answer. Okay. So, as it is completely covered by snow, okay. Shortage of land. Of course, land is there, but it's not a flat land. Raised lands will be there in the mountains. The right answer is have a thin soil cover is the right answer. Let us move on to the next question. 59th question. The highway of Central Africa. What is the other name for this? This is they are asking. River Congo is the right answer, which is called as the highway of the Central Africa. Next, who gave the slogan? The slogans, so many slogans were given by our freedom fighters. So among that, one is given Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. So who gave this slogan is the question. Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri gave this slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Next, 61st question you see. What is the name of airport for helicopters called? So helicopters can be landed anywhere. So the place where they are landed is called as a helipad. Okay, helipad is the place where the helicopters can be landed. Okay, option A is the right answer. Next, move on to the 62nd question. Who is the author of famous Harry Potter? Ma'am, questions not. Famous Harry Potter. Author of the famous Harry Potter is, options are missing here. So let us see the options. J.K. Rowling, J.R.R. Tolkien, E.B. White and Roald Dahl. So J.K. Rowling is the right answer. Who is the author of the famous Harry Potter? Okay. So please stay connected with us. So I think there is some technical issue in this. So we'll continue this session. Okay. So don't get upset, children. Please stay with us. Okay. As the print is not available right now. So we'll see the questions. 63rd question. See here. What is the full form of 63rd question? 63rd question. Please make a note of it, or you can cross check who have written their model test paper yesterday. See the question paper and follow me, children. So extremely sorry for what had happened. See 63rd question, full form of APJ, which is option B. Option B is the right answer, which is Abul Pakir Zainul Abdin. Okay. Okay. So So Abul Pakir Jainul Abdin Kalam is the full form of APJ. Okay, children, let us see the 64th question. Which one of the following can be compressed or stretched easily? So the options given are cotton, aluminium, wood and iron. So here the options, if you see the options, so aluminium, iron, these are the metals, whereas wood is a non-metal and cotton is also a non-metal. So aluminium and iron can be compressed, even wood also can be compressed. Here the question is, can be compressed easily and scratched easily, they are asking. Okay. So cotton can be compressed easily. If you press a cotton cloth or a cotton, so a piece of cotton, so it can be compressed and it can be stretched very easily, whereas metals can be stretched only when they are heated. Okay. So see option 64th question, option A is the right answer. With 65th question, Kuchipudi is the classical dance form of which Indian state? So the four options are Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. This is a well-known question. So Kuchipudi is the classical dance form of Andhra Pradesh. Option C is the right answer. With 66th question, you see, first education minister in India is, see the options, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Rabindranath Tagore, and option D, none of these. So option A, 66th question, option A, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad is the right answer. Okay, see the 67th question, national animal of India. See the options, lion, tiger, deer, cheetah. So option B is the right answer. Here this is also one more straight question. Next, 68th question, you see, LBW is related to which sport? LBW, the full form of LBW is leg before the wicket. So it is straight that it is option A, cricket is our right option. Next, 69th question, you see, Olympic Games are held after every, how many years they are asking. So every 4 years, these Olympic Games are held. Okay, next. So one question we can expect from sports and games. Okay, next 70, question number 70, which planet is nearest to the Earth? Here they are asking, so the planet Mercury is the nearest planet to the Earth. If they ask the nearest object, then it comes the moon. Okay, children, see the 71st question, father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, we call him as the father of the nation. Okay, option B is our right answer. Next, 72nd question, you see, find the odd one out from the following. Here, four options are given. Option A, tawa. Option B, spade. Option C, pressure cooker. Option D is eraser. So here, whereas tawa, pressure cooker, spade, option A, B, C are metals, whereas eraser is a non-metal. So our option is the odd one among the given options is option D is the right option. Next, 73rd question, you see, India lies in which continent? America, Russia, Asia and Africa. It's known that India is a part of Asia continent, which is the largest of all the 7 continents. So option C is our right answer. Next, option 74th question, you see, the wearing of or carrying away soil by the action of water or wind is called. So the topmost layer of the soil, when it is carried out by wind or water, so that is called as a soil erosion, which makes the soil infertile. So that is why the farmers keep growing some or the other crops in their farmlands to prevent soil erosion. So option C is right option. 75th question, you see, the first artificial satellite launched by India in 1975 was option B, Aryabhatta is our right option. So these are the answers. Hope this video is helpful for you. So these are the answers for the general knowledge section. So the next teacher, we are left with reasoning and English. So our next subject teacher will come before you to explain each and every question. Hope this video is helpful to you. Stay connected. Questions? Okay. Okay. So I think, so who are enjoying this session. Hope this is very helpful for you children. Yes. Hope this video is helpful for you all. So those who are looking this video for the first time, so please subscribe our channel. And coming to this GK section, we have about 28 topics. So we have about 28 topics. 28 topics. So from social science and general science. Okay. So as these GK in every competitive exam, it's a vast. So please go through all the newspapers, magazines, and all the current affairs, sports and games, all the Nobel prizes. All these, if you refer, so if you follow, so this will be helpful for you to answer your general knowledge questions. Coming to the topics, GK syllabus, we have 28 topics. We are covering questions, various topics from science and social about the landforms, land features, coming to the solar system, books and authors, inventions and discoveries, the first in India, and national parks, tiger reserves. So all these comes under the social sciences, whereas the general sciences topics like super senses, water pollution, cooking and preserving techniques, non-renewable resources, all these you have to follow from all the textbooks as well as current happenings in the world. Okay. So and about the drainage systems, about the canals, about the rivers, pipelines and all, about the solar system, the planetary motion of different planets, about the awards, okay, about the water cycle. So these are all the topics covered. So our next we are left with English and reasoning. So next Jacob sir will take the class. We'll be explaining the passage, followed by 5 questions, and some grammar questions will be solved by Jacob sir, and reasoning will be taken by Kalyani madam. Hope this video is helpful for you. So please excuse us with this fault. And coming videos will be from every topic followed by some multiple choice questions will be giving, and daily weekly mock test will be conducted in our site. So please do follow us, and the next day the subject experts will guide you in answering these questions. Thank you children. So next Mr. Jacob sir will come and explain all the GK related questions, English related questions. Oh, it's here. Yes. So there was left blank with one paper. So I skipped to see that.
Hello everyone, children. So just now GK madam would have taught you in details about GK. Okay. Now it is English. Okay. English is you have to listen carefully and understand. The main thing is passage reading. Okay. Passage you have to read carefully and you should understand the meaning of the passage. So section C, language. Language means it is English here. Okay. Now this passage is talking about the about jellyfish. Jellyfish, okay? It is a different type of a fish, which often you will not find easily anywhere, okay? This fish cannot be consumed. It is not edible, okay? So we will look into the passage. What about jellyfish? What is going to explain? Okay, so jellyfish are not really fish. They are just called as fish, but they are actually not a fish. That's why I told you in the beginning it is not an edible. Edible means that which we cannot eat. It is not an edible thing, so we cannot eat this. They have no heart, no brain, no kidney, no lungs or gill, and there is no blood. Okay, in jellyfish, all these are missing. In normal fishes and other animals, human beings, all these are present there. Heart, brain, kidney, lungs, or gills. Okay, it is present. So in the jellyfish, the specialties, these are all not present. None of the organs we think are needed to live. That means which are required to be alive in this planet Earth. All this it is missing in jellyfish, but still it is alive. How? They have a mouth, tentacles, and tissues which digest food. They have in the mouth tentacles means that sharp one that will come out. It will be like a what you call scorpion. You have seen scorpion's legs in front, how it will be. So same like that, and that helps them to digest the food. Tentacles or body parts were used by animals to feel, catch, or prey or move. Tentacles are used for what? To feel. If something is hitting it, it will feel it. And catch a prey. That means if it wants to catch something to eat, that it uses its tentacles. And to move also it uses its tentacles. If you see a scorpion, you will get the right idea of what are tentacles. Okay, how it walks you have seen. And in the front two big ones are there. So that those are here it is used for different things. Whereas scorpion will use it for biting someone. Then jellyfish live in the sea and are found in all the oceans. You will find jellyfish. Okay, every ocean will have jellyfish. They are only found in the sea. And some jellyfish live in fresh water also. What is fresh water? What is the difference between sea and fresh water? Sea water also is fresh, but fresh water means a limited area of water. Okay, so there also you can find some jellyfish. Jellyfish are mostly made up of water. The name is a jelly chocolates you must have eaten. How it will be? Okay, very smooth and soft. So like that jellyfish also, it is filled with water. Okay, their inside parts are held in place by a thin layer of skin. Inside part will have a thin layer of skin. Jellyfish looks like umbrella. You have seen mushroom plant. How it looks like an umbrella. Same way jellyfish also looks like an umbrella. Okay. So this is about jellyfish. One. हाँ वही देख वही देख रहा हूँ हाँ हाँ jellyfish a group of jellyfish called a bloom, swarm, or a smack. There are three names for it. Group of jellyfish, not single jellyfish. Is a group of jellyfish when it comes, it is called a bloom, swarm, or smack. Okay, like swarm of bees, you must be knowing. Okay, pack of wolves. Okay, so same way when it comes in a group, it is called bloom, swarm, or smack. Jellyfish eats plankton. Some sea turtles eat jellyfish. See, jellyfish will eat plankton, but at the same time, some sea turtles are there. They attack jellyfish and they eat jellyfish. So both vice versa is there. So it has also to be careful from turtles, whereas plankton should be careful from jellyfish. It is a type of sea creature which will be very small. Okay, you must have seen that what you call in Telugu purugulu, big ones. So it eats that. Whereas some sea turtles eat jellyfish. Okay, jellyfish will be like an umbrella. What a group of jellyfish is called? It is called a smack or swarm. Okay, or bloom. Now we'll come to. Hope you understood the passage. Whenever you are reading a passage, be careful that you have to read it carefully so that when you go to the questions, every answer should be in your mind. What the passage writer has discussed here. Okay, then it becomes very easy for you to understand the question and answer it correctly. Many students, what they do the mistake is they will go to the question then search for answer in the passage. That is not the way to attempt a passage. Always try to understand the passage, understand the meanings of the words, and then you should go for the question answers. That is the best way to attempt a passage. Jellyfish are not fish. Is it true or false? Now you read in the passage in the very first line it is given. Jellyfish are not really fish. Okay. So what our answer should be? Answer should be B. False. Tentacle digest the food in a jellyfish. Tentacle digest the food a jellyfish eats. Yes or no? Tentacles will always digest the food. We read in the passage, the tentacles help them to digest the food. So this is true. Jellyfish breathe through gills. True or false? Tell me. So jellyfish breathe through gills, whereas in the passage what it was written, it doesn't consist any gills. It doesn't have a gill. So it is false. The word in the passage, it means part of organs. The word in the part of the organs of the body is organ. Part of the body is organ. As part of the body is always organ. Organ we call the organ word is used only for part of body. So this is false. True. Okay. Some sea turtles eat jellyfish. In the last line, what we saw, plankton eats jellyfish, but some sea turtles they eat. But jellyfish eats plankton, but some sea turtles they eat jellyfish. So what is the question? Some sea turtles eat jellyfish. So this is true. Okay. That was about first passage. What we discussed is about jellyfish. How are they made? What they do? Where they live? What they eat? Okay. How they digest the food. It is really strange that without any important organs in its body, still it exists. Okay. Now, the second passage is about dry fruits. You know dry fruit, children? You must be eating in your house so much of the dry fruit. You know dry fruits. Dry fruits are very important to cure various diseases of the brain, muscles and tissues. It helps you in diseases connected to brain, muscles and tissues. Okay. Particularly almond has got unique properties. Almond, you have eaten almond, you must have seen almond. And almond means what? Badam. Okay. Almond is badam. Don't get confused. What is almond? This meaning you should know. If you don't know the meaning of almond, you will be confused. What it is, why they eat. So, particular almond has got unique properties to remove brain weakness. If your brain is weak, that means you are not able to understand things, you are not able to remember things, you are not able to catch things immediately. Eat almonds, and especially you soak in water in the night and morning you eat. Then your brain will become sharp. Okay, to remove brain weakness and strengthen it, strengthens your brain. That is very, very important for any student. Almond preserve the vitality of the brain. Vitality means usefulness. Vitality means importance. Vitality means quality of the brain. Almond always is good for health. Okay, especially for your brain. It strengthens your brain. It strengthens the muscles. It strengthens your brain muscles and it destroys. See, negative also, it destroys diseases. That is nervous breakdown diseases. It destroys completely and it helps you to maintain a healthy brain. Okay, your nerves will be healthy, you will be very active, you will understand things. So try to eat almonds. Okay, walnut in other word we call it akhroat. You mostly found in Jammu and Kashmir, this walnuts. It is another dry fruit. It will be without any taste. Okay, badam also is without any taste, but almond is tasteless. Actually telling, when you eat it, it is tasteless but very good for your health. It also helps you to cure brain weakness. See, almond, akhroat, that means walnut, they are all very useful to remove your brain weakness. According to Dr. Johnson, this is as per Dr. Johnson. Almonds, figs, grapes, dates, apples and oranges are rich in phosphoric element and should normally be used by brain workers. Those who are working, that is brainy, we call some people, they are very brainy. How they are brainy? We have to use all this. The doctor suggests that those who eat these almonds, figs, grapes, dates, apples and oranges, those which are rich in phosphoric elements, then if you consume that, your brain will always be very sharp and active. Okay, your nervous system, when it is active, the brain's nervous system, the brain will be able to catch things immediately, understand things immediately, and you will be do well wherever you go. Phosphorus nourishes the vital tissues of the body. It keeps the mind full of enthusiasm for more work. Always your mind, if you eat all this, it always, because it consists what? Phosphorus acid. So what it does is it keeps your brain and your body always to be enthusiastic, means more interested to work more, to know more. Curiosity will increase automatically. Supposing you are reading something, you would like to read it more and you would like to go into the details of it. You like to want what happened next, what happened next. So that increases your reading ability as well as your understanding capacity. So that's why these are very, very important dry fruits which you have to consume. Okay, many of the children, they don't like many of the fruits also nowadays. That is not good. Okay, vegetable and fruits are very, very important to keep your brain going. Okay, so this passage is basically telling the student, very important for the students. It is what it is telling: how to keep your brain active, how to keep your brain strong, and how to remove all the brain related weaknesses. What, very simple, he has told: eat almond, walnuts, and some fruits like fig, grapes, dates. Such things if you consume, it is always better to keep your brain working in a healthy way. Okay, nervous breakdown will not be there for you, and you will be very healthy. Dry fruits are useful because, first question what it is. Dry fruits are useful because they strengthen our ear? No. Cure various diseases of the brain, muscles and tissues? Okay, we'll see other option. Give confidence to us? No. Empower us to do challenging tasks? But as per the passage what it told, dry fruits are useful because they cure various diseases of the brain, muscles and tissues that are very important for a student. Okay, it helps. What diseases means? Weakness of the brain. Some are intelligent, some are dull. Why? Because there is a reason, there is a weakness in the brain. Okay, that don't allow them to concentrate more. When brain is healthy, automatically you will like, you will enjoy reading or doing something, you enjoy it. Okay. Which one is not a property of almond? It preserves the vitality of the brain. It strengthens the muscle. It destroys diseases originating from nervous and bilious disorders. It strengthens the digestive system. So what does the passage tell? Passage told you that it strengthens, it destroys diseases originating from the brain. Okay. Nervous and blood disorder, it totally removes it. So that was the C of the right option. Phosphoric element profusely found in. Now he's telling this element, phosphoric element, which I told, that keeps you enthusiastic to read more, to do more, to work more. That keeps your brain always to be curious to know more things. So what was it? What did Dr. Johnson tell? What you have to eat for that? Almond, figs, grapes, dates, apples and oranges. Almond, figs, papayas, guavas and pineapples, all the green vegetables, seasonal fruits. What he told Dr. Johnson? He told to eat option A, almonds, figs, grapes, dates, apples and oranges. Okay, all these are available. Wherever you go in the market, you can get all this. The only thing is you should be interested to eat. If you are interested to work more, if you are interested, especially this passage is for students mainly, because students are the one who have to learn more. So if you eat all this, your brain will always be healthy. Okay. Brain worker should take fruits rich in phosphorus element because what? Why the Dr. Johnson told that brain worker should always take rich phosphoric element? What is the necessity? They remove brain weakness, they nourish the vital tissue of the seed, they keep the mind full of enthusiasm, all the above. So what he told, if you, phosphoric element is a element that helps you to be enthusiastic to do things. So they keep the mind full of enthusiasm. Enthusiasm is having interest to do more and more and more. You will not feel tired. You will want to work more and more. The word unique means the same as, now he is asking the meaning. Unique meaning is asking ordinary, highly qualified, unusual, enlightened. So unique means what? Unique means strange, something that has not happened, something that newly has happened. So in this, which one is matching it? It is unusual. That doesn't happen. That happens only rarely. Rarely, okay? That happens only rarely. Okay. So that is unique. So unusual word is the same word as unique here. Okay. Then he is asking antonym of reduce. See here he asked what? Meaning, synonym. Again, what is asking? Reduce, antonym. Antonym of reduce. What is reduce means? To lessen it. So what should be the opposite? Increase. Decrease is the same as reduce. Lessen is same as reduce. Limit means also reduce. Okay, so increase is the right option for antonym. You have to, when meanings or opposites are given, you have to read all the four options and then you have to find out many of, you see here these three are synonyms of reduce. So only one was left. So like that you can easily find out which one is the right option. Okay. Now antonym of finish. Finish means what? And conclude also finish. Terminate also finish. This A, C, D are same meaning of finish. But he is asking opposite. So something that finishes, again what will happen? You have to begin it. You have to start it. So begin is the right option here. You have to start it. Okay. लिखने का ये लिखना so to start it. Okay. Antonym of early. Antonym of early. Hmm? Writing. Hmm. So हाँ किया ना अच्छा पेन से करना है क्या okay antonym of early is asking again see all continuously first he has asked only first he asked what huh. First he asked unique the word unique meaning he asked after that continuously is asking what opposites antonym continuously there is so reduce what I told it is यही ना so the word unique means what unusual then antonym of reduce all decrease lessen limit are same meanings are same meanings okay so what is the meaning what is the word left here increase increase is the right opposite of antonym of reduce not finish I told you you have to finish means you have to end you have to terminate you have to conclude all three are meanings of finish so only left over is begin anything you end you have to begin you have to start so that is the right meaning opposite antonym of early early is very simple word you always came early or came late okay and early is late okay so so antonym early is late antonym of win earn gain get if you win something you are getting something so earn is also same gain you are getting something get also is same so antonym of opposite of win what it should be only one word is left that is you lose something when you win something you lose something okay that is the antonym of hide save spend cover save means you save something to that means hide only spend also you are hiding something cover is also you are covering something and hiding it so spend it cannot be save cover or not are the meanings of hide so what is there show expose you expose something that is hide then synonym now it came you see synonym till now antonyms we saw no synonyms synonym of skip Skip. Skip means what? Synonym of skip. Notice? No. Notice is meaning is the opposite of skip. Insert. It is also the opposite. Introduce. Introduce means you are introducing someone. So, skip is overlook. Here synonym is asked. So that's why overlook. Overlook means you did not see that. You are going through something, some line or something you missed. You skipped it. Okay. So that is skip means overlook. Okay. Now 92. Choose the correct synonym. Now till now we were watching antonyms. Now we are seeing what? Synonyms. That is totally opposite. Okay. Open. Open is what? Here open meaning is what? Not to open something. It is means frank. This open means frank. So what are upright, loose, frank, confused. So synonym of open will be what here? You don't think? So here synonym will be this open is not opening the lid of something. This open means be frank, straightforward in talking or telling something. So that's why it is frank here. Okay. Choose the correct synonym given word generate. Generate means to produce something. Generate means what? To produce something. So command is you are giving an order. So race means it is a caste. So prefer means you prefer something. You favor something. So that these three are not right. So produce. Generate means to produce something. Then comes choose misspelt word. Misspelt word. Now misspelt word means what? That word that is wrongly written there. Spelling mistake is there. Department, DEPR, it is right. Distress, it is also right. Declaration, AARATION is right. Debater. So debater is not a word. It should be, this should not be there. A should not come. So debtor it should be debtor. When you owe something to someone, you are a debtor. So that is the right option. Okay. Again, choose the misspelt word. Receipt. Respite is right. Receipt is right. Reference is right. So receipt. What changes should be there? Why this is wrong? Because RECIEPT should come. The EIPT should come. Whereas so misspelled word here is receipt. Okay. Because this should come here, this should go there. Okay. That's why it is wrong. Then comes simple fill in the blanks. I dare go to bed at 10 o'clock. So it is everyday routine. Everyday routine it is. It is, he is not telling that sometimes or once upon a time. It is a one daily routine. So I usually means by 10 o'clock he go to his bed. I've been to Australia just one, no, once, no, none of this, no. So because just he has written, so it is once. It is once is the right option here. Because he has gone only once to Australia, not twice or thrice. Then I dash take a bath before I go to bed. Because I don't know how far it is true, but students tell me, do you do that? I don't think you do. But still for your sake we have put this. I dash take bath before going to bed. I always. Okay. It is always a good habit before going to bed if you take bath, because the whole day you are sweating. The whole day you are sweating. Hmm. My grandparents live in Kerala. My grandparents they live in Kerala. I visit them once, often, never, none of this. So your grandparents are in Kerala. What you will say? I often. I often means not once. Some in a year once or twice. I often visit them. That was so often is the right option. My friends are dash non-smokers. My friends are most, no, because it is plural. More also is for singular. None of this is not right. So my friends are mostly, that means most of his friends are not smokers. So that was about, let's say mostly what has come. Okay, if most of my friends are smokers. If my friend most should come first. If most you have to use. Most of my friends are non-smokers or smokers. Okay, so that's a mostly. Mostly his friends are non-smokers. Okay, children. Hope, hope you under, hope you understood the English fully. Remember it. And whatever I told about passage and all, remember it. Read the passage and then attempt the answer. Okay, and see antonym synonym carefully, because some will be not, they will not put antonym. They will give which word is not similar to this word. They will give that word. Instead of writing antonym, they put the word not there. That you have to be very careful in observing. Okay, children. So have a good day. Now, this reason. Now, Kalyani madam will come and continue with reasoning class. Okay.
Hi everyone, welcome back to uh, YouTube channel. First, we discuss about the intelligence. Intelligence is nothing but reasoning. It is the one topic in the Sainik. Mental ability is also one of the topics for the Navodaya. Reasoning is the verbal reasoning. Mental ability is the picture reasoning. Means you will get all the questions mental ability for Navodaya picture. For the reasoning, for the Sainik and RMS, you will get the questions in the verbal. That means it is in related to verbal words, alphabets and numbers. These are all reasoning topic. Now we will discuss about the reasoning 125 questions. It comes in the Sainik 101 to 125. Now we will discuss about the first question, that is the 101. In a certain language, mattress is coded as MBESDI. Then how is Bombay coded in that language? This is the topic from the coding and decoding. Madras. Madras is coded is what they gave the first. They gave the one code and decoded. You have to find this from the first logic and you have to apply same thing on the next side. Okay. And next here FC. This is a T. M plus 1 L. A plus 1 B plus 1 E. R plus 1 S. A plus B. S plus C. T. These are the here adding plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Same thing you have to apply for the Bombay. Bombay is plus 1. What will happen? C. O plus 1 P. M plus 1 N. B plus 1 C. A plus 1 B. Y plus 1 Z. Means the answer is CPN CBZ. Answer is CPN CBZ. Next is also C 102. Triple is written as a SQHOKD. How dispose can be written in the code. Here you have to understand C. Triple what happened? TRI TPLE. Triple is written as SQHOKD. What happened here? Minus 1 happened. Minus 1 happened. T minus 1 S. R minus 1 Q, I minus 1 H, P minus 1 O, P minus 1 O, L minus 1, E minus 1. Same, this fourth also you need to same thing you need to do. D minus 1 C, I minus 1 H, S minus 1 R, P minus 1 O minus 1 L, S minus 1 R, E minus 1 D. This is the answer. Let's see the options here. CH4 NRD is the answer. Answer is the CH4 NRD. This is the answer. Next is the C here. Next one. In a certain code, ripple. Here it is the 165 is extra type. This is the ripple. Ripple is coded as here 1613382. Next, life coded as 8190. 8190. What about the pillar? You have to check here directly. They gave the one hint in the coded. R4 6. R4 6. I 1. L4 8. L4 8. E 2. R4 6. Means 6 1 8 8 2 6. Option is the C. The cup is to coffee, bowl is to what? This is an analogy. It is from analogy. Cup is to coffee means we used to drink coffee in the cup. Like the bowl is for used for the soup, not the dish. It's a spoon and food. We serve the soup and from that is from the bowl. Play is to actor, concert is to play is to actor. Actor play the roles and concert is to musician. It is a musician. It is related to musician. Analogy. These are all analogy. And next one of six here. See, this is a number analogy. Number analogy. 50, 120, 22, 1. 15 into 8. 15 times 8 is the 120. Same you can apply 22 8 times 8. What is the top? 176. 22 times 8 is the 176. Series. Next one, what is the next one? See here. 50 becomes a 650. 16 becomes a 49. After what will come? Suppose if you observe first, this question is, if you think, this first three if you observe, into 3 plus 1 is the logic. But whenever you go in the third, here it is into 3 plus 1 is not there. Means that logic is the wrong. That logic is the wrong. You have to go for the next logic, addition, do addition. 5 plus 11 is the 16 and 16 plus 33 is the 49. 49 plus 55 is the 104. All 33, 55 is 77 is will become. 104 into 77 is the 181. The answer of this question is the 181. 181. Next also series same thing. 32, 44, 58, 74, 92, 112. Here see, first what happened? Plus 1, plus 14, plus 16, plus 18, plus 20. Obviously next will be plus 22. Plus 22 means 112 plus 22, 433. 134 is the answer. 134 is the answer. Next see here. 3, 4, 7, 11, 18, 29. If you see normally plus 1, plus 3, plus 4, there is no common logic. Then if you observe that these first two addition is the 7, 4 plus 7 is the 11, 7 plus 11 is the 18, 11 plus 18 is the 29. Then obviously next 18 plus 29 is the here 47. 47. This is the answer. Next here Venn diagram. It's related to Venn diagram. This is a, you have to represent the Venn diagram. Husband and family. Husband and wife is a member of the family. In family, husband, wife. You can take as if it is children also will come like that only. But here they gave the husband and wife. The answer is the B. Answer will be the B. Next. 111. Here see the mirror image. Actually here the mirror image will be here. The place. It see what is the mirror image? Mirror image means right goes to left. Left goes to right. Means here what is the left? Right goes to left. These right will be like that slanting. Here answer will be the 2. Answer is the D. And find the water image. Water means top becomes to bottom. Bottom becomes to top. Bottom becomes to top. Here see N. N is the water image like O, N, B, E, R, B, A, L, R, E, A. You have to check this from the options. We gave the 4 options. You have to check this. See non-verbal. If you observe, the answer is the A. Answer is the A. Next one, 130. Find Find the water image of this. Answer ANS 4 Q 1 2. A like that and N is like that and S and 4 becomes this, Q becomes this, 1 and 2. That will be the option in the A. And next here mirror image. Mirror image means right becomes a left becomes a right. First it will come H letter, after K, after 6, after Y, after X, after Z, after T, U. H, K, 6, Y, F, Z, T, U. Answer is the A. And next one is the 115. It is the mathematical operations. Mathematical operations you need to apply for the board mass rule, but here you have to change the symbols whatever they gave. Here this is the question. 4 minus 15 divided by 12 into 8 plus 9. Here into becomes a division, division becomes a into, minus means plus, plus means minus. Here minus means plus 15 and division means into 12. Next here into means division 8, plus means minus 9. Almost you need to do the first is the brackets. Plus 180 plus 4. 184 divided by 8 minus 9. 8 times 8, 23. 23 minus 9 is the 14. Answer is 14. Here one more is also same. 116 is also mathematical operations. But here they didn't change the symbols. They gave the variable here symbols. Here K, what is the K is to means division. So in the place of Q addition, in the place of J multiply, in the place of T 4. Division is the 30 plus multiplication 18 minus 4. Here 13 plus 18 31 minus 4. The answer is the 27. Next find odd one. Odd and odd, it is the numbers they gave. 16, 25, 49, 65. 65 is the answer. Why? Because these three are the squares. Whenever odd man out in the numbers it will come. That time you have to check. First is the numbers, multiples you have to check. Then parentheses and composite numbers. And then after squares and cubes, if it is not possible, you can go for the number and even number. This is the answer. Here it is the 65 is not the square. And next here see, find the parrot, pigeon, owl, cat. Because these three are the birds. Cat is the animal. That's why answer is the cat. Next is the 120, 190. Find the odd man out. Please leave this. Find the odd man out in the options. If you observe, these are all the even numbers. 137 is not. It is an odd number. Answer is the 137. And next 120 odd man out in the figure. You have to find. In the figure odd man out. This is the figure odd man out. Check the option 1, 2, 3, 4. See, this place of the shape is like that in every that. But here all are one side it is going, this side. Means answer is the B. Answer C. Next 121, it is related to blood relations. Pointing a photograph. Photograph a boy, of a boy. In the photograph, one boy is there. So I say, he is the son of my mother. He is the only son of my mother. My mother. Only son. My mother has only son means he is like himself. The son. How is Suresha related to that boy? He is the son of the only son of the my mother. Means here. How he is related? This relation is related to father because mother's only son is the Suresh. Suresh son. The son is related to Suresh is the father. Give is coded as next question. Give is coded as 5137. Bat is coded as 924. Gate. Here already they gave give equals to 5137. Back equals to 9 to 4. Then they are asking game. G for 5. A for 2. T for 4. E for 7. 5 to 4 7. Answer 5 to 4 7. And next 123. Here Ripple. Ripple is coded as 617782. Leave is coded as here 8282. Ripple 82. Actually here we need to get 5. Here it is 592. Here mistake is there. Parallel. Parallel here are 3 for 7, A for 5, A for 1, I think. A for, I think we need to change here 5, it is 1, 1, R 6, A for 1, L for 8, L for 8, E for 2, L for 8. 7, 1, 6, 1, 8, 8, 2. There is no answer here. 124, 123, 124. Juvenile alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means you have to arrange the words into dictionary wise. First you have to check the first letter of the word, and then if it is same you have to go for the second letter of the word. Second letter of the word. Here second letter E, I is there. First as per alphabetical order E will come first. In the E we have 2. Then you have to take out the 1 is the first. Jewel. Up to here same. Then here E is the first, R is the second. Means 1 is the first, 2 is the second. Next what happened? Jingle and jingles. Jingle will come next. Jingles will come next. Answer is the 1, 2, 3, 4. Next last 125. This is in the also alphabetical order. Same. First 3 letters is same for all. BRE, 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 BRE. Let's go to letter A. We have 3 A. Breathe will come 3. Then after breathe, E extra will come. Then after breathing will come 3 to 4. In the breathe, first breathe will come. Breathe. 3 to 5, 1, 5. Answer. These are the answers 101 to 125. Is that covered already? All coding, decoding, analogy, odd man out, and alphabetical order, blood relation series. These are all the important topics. Revise all. Thank you.